Fun fact about that 197 is that 197014, which was that unit just now, was actually the first ever Class 197 that I rode on at the start of the year when they took over from 175s. I do miss 175s though, they were good trains. Well, some people might disagree, but yeah. But 197014 was the first ever one that I rode on. I remember recording it on my little Acaso camera, and I just looked at it recently, and I discovered it was 14 was the first ever one that I rode on. So yeah.